Hello everyone, I am Kiran Joshi. Hope you all are safe and sound. Here I am presenting the first video of class civics chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. Children, you are aware that in our country the government works at three levels: at the local level, at the level of the state, and at the national level. The local level means in village, town or city. Local government of rural areas or villages is called Panchayati Raj. Children, Panchayati Raj is a system of local government that takes care of the requirements of rural population and implements policies which are meant for them. You have learnt that in our democracy, people participate in the process of government through elections and by taking interest in the working of the government. So, the people at local level also participate in the working or functioning of the government. Let's understand what all is done in the local level in rural areas. We'll try to understand the concept through the example of a village, that is Hardas village. In Hardas village, there was the first meeting of Gram Sabha after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. Now children, there are two terms here, Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Let's learn about them one by one. So, Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area of Gram Panchayat. The area can include only one village or a few villages. Every adult of that area means anyone who is 18 years of age or above and who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. Village Panchayat is the primary unit of governance that consists of a Panchayat President, Sarpanch, and the members of the Panchayat called Panchs. Village Panchayat or Gram Panchayat may cover one or more villages in its area. The area of Gram Panchayat is then divided into smaller areas which are called wards. Each ward elects a representative called ward member or panch. Then all the members of the Gram Sabha elect a sarpanch. Thus the sarpanch and the ward panchs together form or constitute the Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is elected for a period of 5 years. Children, the Gram Panchayat has a Panchayat Secretary who is appointed by the government. That means he is not elected by the people of the village or the Gram Sabha. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and maintains for maintaining the records of the proceedings and work done by the Panchayat. This was the explanation of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Now let's come back to our story of Hardas village where the Gram Sabha was holding its meeting. Let's see its proceedings. In the meeting, the new Panchayat means Sarpanch or Panchayat President and the Ward Panchs presented a plan to repair the road of the village that connects the village to the main highway. Then a discussion was held on water and water shortage in the village. Villagers put forward various issues related to water shortage. One villager said that the hand pump water had gone very low and that they hardly got water in the taps. One of the members suggested piping water from the river and making an overhead tank in the village. Some villagers suggested the solution for water shortage is to deepen the hand pumps and clean the wells for that season. But at the same time, they also understood that they needed some permanent solution to increase the underground water level and conserve water. One member talked about a watershed management program that he had seen in his brother's village in Maharashtra. In this program, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks so that water could be conserved and further can be recharged. The member also told that the government provides money for this work. Everyone found that it was an interesting idea, and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find out about it in detail. Then the next agenda point was to finalize the list of people below the poverty line, uh, which had to be approved by the Gram Sabha. When the villagers heard the names in the list, they began to talk to each other, as there were names of some well off villagers, whereas the name of a person, of a villager named Om Prakash, who was a landless laborer, his name was not included in the list. Finally, a villager told the panchayat that the name of the landless laborer was not there in the BPL list. The sarpanch instructed that the family income of that landless laborer be looked into, and if it was less than what the government had decided, his name should be included in the list. So children, through these examples, you must have noticed that Gram Sabha uh, is a Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. Gram Sabha is the place where all plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. It is a meeting where people directly participate and seek answers from their elected representatives. It is the Gram Sabha that checks or prevents the Panchayat from taking wrong decisions or from doing wrong things like misusing money or favoring certain people. Thus, the Gram Sabha plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representatives, means panchs, and in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be very responsible. So children, that's all in this video. Now, based on your learning so far, there are some questions for you. First question, what are the different levels of government in India? Second question, what is a Gram Sabha? Third question, how is village panchayat formed? Fourth question, how can the Gram Sabha prevent the panchayat from doing what it likes? Children, if you find this video helpful and wish to watch more of such content, do consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you have any queries or comments, please post them in the comment section below. Thank you.